Alrighty. We are now stepping into something that affects almost everyone in this room. This next section is about upskilling with AI. It's one smart step at a time. By making AI part of your skill set, you won't just have a seat on the train, you will be building the next level of your profession while it's moving. Exciting, right? And that is, what if you love your current industry, but you're starting to feel outdated? Or maybe your role is slowly but surely shifting and you are unsure of how to keep up? Well, you are not alone. And that's why this section is so important for all of us. In today's age, AI isn't just replacing roles, it is upgrading them, but only for the professionals who are willing to learn and evolve. We all see that the job market is evolving right before our eyes, and so should you. So much so that even leaders at the national level, like Mr. Andrew Yang, are commenting on this very shift. You don't believe me? Okay. I'm going to show you a recent comment of his about the role of AI in jobs right now. So, back on June 18th, 2025, aka that was my birthday, Rebecca Quick from CNBC television, The Squawk Box, and try saying that 3 times in a row. Yeah. So she asked Mr. Yan to discuss the impact of AI on jobs based on a statement that Amazon's current CEO, Andy Jassy, made. As you can see in the recap statement on the screen, Ms. Quick even posed a question at the end to Mr. Yang saying, and I quote, "Should we be afraid of that?" Mr. Yang responded with, "What this means in real life, you have a department of 6 people, let's say coders or designers, and then you end up eliminating 4 or 5 of them. And then there's one designer coder empowered by AI. So there's going to be a beneficiary in the organization, but you're just not going to need as many people in that department. And that's going to play out over and over again." End of comment. So, folks, that right there just defined our newly created concept in real time, which is called the hybrid professional. So, should we be afraid of the newfound concept? No, but we should be aware and should be action ready. This is obviously not just a corporate trend, it is a global career shift. So, whether you're in the US or across continents, the AI shift is unfolding now, redefining roles now, and demanding new skill sets now. Which now brings me back to you. This is your chance to upskill into this powerful new concept, again called the hybrid professional. Here, like Mark, these hybrid professionals are those who blend human skills with AI tools to elevate their role. We've already clarified with data that AI is transforming real jobs, and it is time to make yourself impactful in your current job or your current industry. Up next is a visual use case table showing how AI is reinventing roles and reshaping day to day responsibilities across industries. So, how can AI reinvent professional roles and tasks? Just to overview a few, for instance, see how a recruiter and or the HR department uses AI to filter out hundreds of resumes. And that's cutting down the traditional manual time by 5 hours. Or a marketing rep using AI to draft engaging content within minutes versus hours. Like, yes. Or how about a nurse using AI? And that's reducing documentation time, allowing them more time to cater to their patients. And the one that I appreciate the most is when in my business analyst or project management role type, I was using AI to swiftly generate project summaries, gather quality requirements, creating process guides and playbooks, drafting detailed use cases for projects, and so on. Personally, I reclaim hours of manual work, giving me more time to focus on my stakeholders' pain points and address key issues, which in return allow me to go prepared before the next product demo meeting. It was such a great feeling when I received many thumbs up, and that was because I got to those pain points so early on in the project. So now, the question is, will you compete against AI or will you partner with AI? To reiterate, AI isn't coming for your job, but someone who knows how to use it might. The smartest professionals are not the ones trying to outwork the machine, they're working alongside the machine. And that's how you reinvent your value in today's workforce. It's not about doing more, it's about doing what only humans can do and letting AI handle the rest for you.